In the box. 3-foot USB Type-C to Micro B3. 1 General 2 charger cable for connecting a computer with a Type-C USB port, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. To a Micro B USB 3. 1 or 3. 0 enabled device. Reliable, easy to use. Offers reliable connectivity to an external hard drive, tablet, or smartphone with a USB 3. 1 or 3. 0 Micro B port, making it easy to transfer files or sync data. Reversible design. Easily insert the Type-C connector into any Type-C enabled device. Does not matter which side is up. Compact design. Type-C port is half the width and 1/3 the height of a standard USB-A connector, slightly larger compared to Lightning or micro USB ports. Ultra-fast speed. Up to 10 gigabits per second data transfer speed, SuperSpeed Plus. Power output up to 5 volts, 3 amp. USB if certified, compliant with USB 3.1 Gen2. Backwards compatible to USB 3.0. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Work perfect. I connected my external hard drive to my Galaxy S21 phone and worked just the way I hoped it would. MacBook Air to Toshiba Canvio drive. Bought a Toshiba Canvio advanced drive to back up a MacBook Air. I wanted to connect it directly rather than using an adapter, so I bought this cable. It's worked great. No issues or problems. I can't comment on sturdiness or durability, since I haven't had it that long, but it seems to be well made and I have no reason to doubt it will last a long time.